Hey guys, welcome to the Waiters Academy. Today I'm gonna give you complete step-by-step tutorial how to take a guest order in a restaurant. Coming from 25 years experience in the best restaurants in the world. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video if you like it, and let me know what else you need to hear from the Waiters Academy. Coming up. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tane. I'll be right back with the menus, but if you want to order some drinks, I'll be happy to take your order. Maybe a glass of champagne, maybe just a bottle of water. Bottle of water, sparkling or non-sparkling? Sparkling bottle, thank you. And for the ladies, glass of champagne, 2 glasses of champagne. Would you like Moët Chandon Brut Imperial or a Moët Chandon Rosé? Moët Chandon Brut Imperial, thank you very much. I'll be right back with the menus. And the drinks are coming right away. Thank you. So, good evening one more time. Here's the menus. There you go. There you go. Do we need the wine list for a glass of wine or a bottle of wine? Wine list too? Would you like to take a look, please? Ladies, everything is on the menu. It's written in English and Dutch and German. But today we have also specials. And we have excellent dorade in salt crust, baked in the oven, something that's really good if you want to have a fish today, but it's for 2 persons. It's a 75 euro per fish. You can choose the side dishes, anything you want with that. The chef is preparing the dorade always really good, so if you want to have a fish today, I will highly recommend it. Okay? Thank you very much. If you have any questions, please let me know. My name is Ned. I'll be happy to answer. So, ladies and gentlemen, do you have any questions? Are you ready to order? Ready to order. Okay, let's start with the ladies. For you, madam, a small salad. And then, for main course, a steak. Would you like the steak medium, medium rare, medium well, medium? Thank you very much. For you, a soup, risotto soup. Okay, and after that, chicken piccata. Thank you very much. For you, sir? Okay, a small salt again. Very good. Main course. You have not decided yet? Okay, we'll give you a minute. I will go without a gentleman. Thank you. For you, sir? Okay. And then for main course? Main course you go with chicken parmesan. Very good. Very well. For you, sir? Did you decide? Okay. You want to have the New York steak. And how you like the steak cooked? Okay, medium rare. Thank you very much. And did you make your choice? Did you choose some wine? You want my recommendation? Okay, very good. You're looking for a white wine or a red wine? Red wine, very good. And do you like something that's really fruity and not so heavy, no tannin, no acid, or you want something that's really full body, heavy barrique wine? Full body, heavy barrique wine. Okay, I would recommend then something from the Super Toscano wine. Would you like to try something from Bulgaria? Ornellaia, Sassicaia, Tinanello, but we have now Ornellaia 2011, and that's the best year for the last 10 years, so I will definitely suggest Ornellaia. If you want to try Ornellaia, it's the best wine right now from the Italian Super Toscano vines. Yes, okay? Yep, you want to try it? Wonderful, wonderful. I love serving this wine because it's really excellent. You will enjoy it, guys. You will enjoy really thoroughly. So, Ornellaia for the table. Thank you very much. If you have any questions or you would like anything else, just let me know. My name is Ned. And we're going to have a wonderful evening tonight. Thank you. Now, guys, if it's a complicated order and they ask for many modifiers, for example, the salad I want it with this dressing, the steak I don't want it with this sauce, I want it with this sauce, and things like that. And if people order, for example, not everybody orders a appetizer, or some of the table order entry course, and he's gonna have 3-course meals, and everybody else gonna have 2-course meals, I will repeat the whole order. I will take the order and then I will say, hey guys, let me repeat this for you because I don't want to be have any confusion. The lady will have this and this and this, the gentleman will have this and this and this, then everybody's gonna have pause, just gentleman's gonna have an entry course, and then all of you will have the main course, and the lady will have this, the lady will have this, the gentleman will have this, and the gentleman will have this way prepared. So, but if it's a simple order, like just a salad and steak and things like that, and everybody has a first course and second course, then everything is okay. I just repeat it after they order me the course, the salad, I repeat, it's a small salad, okay, and then chicken piccata, okay, so chicken piccata, and that's enough. You don't need to repeat again the whole order for them. Only when it's very complicated, when there's many modifiers and things like that, it's recommendable, I recommend it, to repeat the order and tell them exactly who's gonna get what at what time. Yeah, because it's very important to point that, because if one person on the table of 4 have 3-course menus and he wants entry course, and everybody else have to stay and wait and watch him eating, you know, when you tell them that at the end of the taking the order, you tell them that, maybe somebody would change their mind and say, you know what, I will take also entry course, I will take also this a shrimp or a tagliatelle with white truffle sauce or something like that. So yes, repeat that they know that they will have to wait and watch this person eat, and then everybody else will receive their main course and things like that. So right now we have taken the drink order, we have taken the wine order, we have taken the food order. You go to the computer, you punch the order in, and you move on to the other tables. When the drinks are there, you can always stop by and ask if everything is okay. And then the food is there. Make sure that you have prepared the silverware for the steaks mixer, for the soup spoon and things like that. Maybe your commis, maybe your backup waiter will have to do that, or maybe your busboy. I don't know how is the system in your restaurant, but anyway, if nobody is there, you have to prepare it yourself. Find time, prepare it, because it's really annoying when the soup is coming from the kitchen and the runner is bringing the dishes, and the lady doesn't have a soup spoon on the table and the soup stays there. What is she gonna do? I mean, she's gonna get, yeah, pissed off, maybe not pissed off, but she's gonna get, you know, mad and break her mood and things like that. And we want to keep those people in a good mood. So basically, that is what taking an order from a table means. You go with a smile, with an energy, we just give them the joy that you feel good that they are there, and you can take care of them with the joy, and just give them some of your good mood, and they will feed you back with a good mood. If you give them a terrible attitude, like, hey guys, how you doing? What can I do for you? Man, if you take an order like that, I mean, forget it. Those guys will get really pissed off right away. I mean, they will feel that you're not feeling good, that they're there, you don't want to serve them, you probably want to go home, or you're thinking about your girlfriend or boyfriend and things like that. It doesn't work this way. It doesn't matter what you think, doesn't matter what's your problem, you have to be prepared to act. Check out some of my videos about acting, because it's very important that you really feel this way, guys. You have to think about, like, we are actors. We have to perform in front of the guests every single day, every single table. You are acting. We have to forget all our personal problems, and we have to act like we are so happy to see those guys there, and we want to provide the best service for them so they can be happy and they can have the best evening in their life, and they come back again and again and again. And of course, don't forget, we do that because they pay us. I mean, we do it because at the end of the evening, you want them to feel good, and when they feel good, they give you a better tip. So yes, that's how life is for us. Maybe we're tired, maybe we're angry, maybe we're sad, but we have to perform in front of the guests and be happy. That's how it is. I wish you a pleasant day. Go to work today, act like you're the happiest person in the world, and at the end of the evening, count your tip, and I promise you, it's gonna be more than ever. Make a lot of money, stay out of trouble, and I'll see you next Wednesday. Video coming every Wednesday with some new stuff and new tutorials about waiting tables, making good money, and having a beautiful life. Peace.